My nose was always stuffed up. I had trouble breathing. I snored a lot. Would breathe through my mouth, and it was uncomfortable. Well, all I did was blow my nose and run around going, it wasn't fun. I didn't think it was painful. I thought it was fine. They put these cotton balls up your nose and your nose was numb. They gave you a shot. He did his thing. And as soon as he stopped, I could breathe just like wow, right away. It was so much better. I'd tell somebody that it's very worthwhile to do, especially if they have chronic breathing problems, because it made a big difference for me. I felt a lot better. I would never, ever, ever do sinus surgery again. It was painful. Took forever to get better. The procedure here was just piece of cake. Walk in the park. It was great. Yeah, I would recommend this procedure over sinus surgery any day of the week.